Is insomnia keeping you awake at night and impacting your daily life? Would you like to learn some natural ways to help you fall asleep? In this video, we'll explore 10 ways to overcome insomnia and improve your sleep. Insomnia is a sleep disorder in which you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. Sleep is a vital requirement of the body. Many rejuvenation processes occur in the body while we are sleeping, but if there is a lack of quality sleep, many of these processes will be hindered or halted. Thankfully, there are a number of natural remedies that can relieve insomnia. Here are 10 helpful tips that can help you treat insomnia naturally. Number 1. Make a sleep routine. To start with, follow a daily sleep routine. Every night, go to bed at the same time and try to put off doing anything in bed which will cause you to think too much. Plus, try to wake up at the same time each morning. This can help set your circadian rhythm. Number 2. Turn off electronics. Turn off all electronic devices at least an hour before you go to bed. Studies have shown that using electronics before bedtime can affect our ability to sleep. This is because the blue light emitted from device screens can disrupt melatonin production, which aids in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. Additionally, using electronics around bedtime can overstimulate the brain, which can cause a feeling of restlessness when trying to get to sleep. Number 3. Keep a journal. Begin writing your thoughts, feelings, and experiences down in a personal journal. Putting these things on paper can help relieve stress, anxiety, and worry. Alternatively, if it's your mental to-do list that's keeping you awake, keep a notepad next to your bed and write down anything that you think of that needs to be done in the future. Purging any to-do lists from your mind and writing them down can help put you at ease. Number 4. Read a book. Consider adding reading into your nightly routine, as doing some light reading from a magazine or book can help you relax as you prepare to go to sleep. This could assist with putting the thoughts or issues that you are thinking about to the back of your mind. Number 5. Essential oils. Some essential oils can promote a good night's sleep, including orange, lavender, bergamot, sweet marjoram, rose, Roman chamomile, and jasmine. Depending on the essential oil, it can be applied topically or used in a diffuser. Essential oils should never be applied directly to the skin without being diluted in a carrier oil. We recommend doing a skin patch test before topically using any essential oils. Number 6. Have a relaxing bath. Try having a warm bath before going to bed. Add some Epsom salts and a few drops of lavender and rose essential oils to make it a pleasant and relaxing experience. Number 7. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great tool to alleviate stress and anxiety, which can cause insomnia. Additionally, regular exercise can help increase alertness during the day, regulate circadian rhythm, and improve the quality and duration of sleep. Number 8. Eat earlier. If you find that you're kept awake because of indigestion, try eating your meals earlier in the evening and avoid nighttime snacking. Though the amount of time may vary, it takes approximately 4 to 6 hours for the stomach to empty after each meal, so time your last meal with your bedtime in mind. Number 9. Drink a cup of tea. Certain teas are well known to aid in relaxation and can help relieve insomnia. You can watch our video, 10 bedtime teas to help you sleep better, to discover some teas that can aid sleep. Number 10. Try certain supplements. There are a number of supplements that can aid in reducing anxiety and stress, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. Some such supplements include valerian, magnesium, melatonin, glycine, ginkgo biloba, and L-theanine. Additionally, a deficiency in certain nutrients can negatively affect sleep, including low levels of vitamin D, melatonin, omega-3s, potassium, and magnesium. To recap, here are 10 natural ways to relieve insomnia. Take a screenshot and keep it as a reference, or print it out and use it as a guide. If you need help identifying which areas of your health need improving, you can download a free copy of our Healthy Living Wheel. If you are transitioning to a plant-based diet, you can join our Plant-Based Success Group on Facebook for support and encouragement, healthy whole food recipes, and help on your journey to better health. We also have a free ebook, Going Plant-Based. You'll find the links for these and further resources in the video description below. For a more in-depth look into what was discussed in this video, please read our full blog post. You can find the link in the description below. Did you enjoy this video? If so, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. In our next wellness video, we're going to look at which supplements to take on a plant-based or vegan diet. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more natural health and wellness videos every Wednesday.